Hello, this is Terry with Greenpointe, and I'm here with our Ramsol spray disinfectant. And we've been trying to get these kits put together for you guys, but some of the customers now a little farther away calling in. We're going to be shipping some of these to you, so we're just going to do a brief tutorial here on how to put together your Ramsol disinfectant spray system. So I've got the handle to the rolling cart. There's the spray gun, which comes with a little brass tip and a gasket. You've got your spray hose. You've got your rolling cart, which we'll be assembling here in just a moment. And then of course you've got your tank of the Ramsol disinfectant. So let's get started putting this together. We'll start by building the cart, which is actually very simple to do. So when you unpack your cart, don't forget to look for, there's a little tiny restrainer clip. Make sure you find that in the bottom of the cart. The handle simply goes in this slot. Okay, and next is the tank itself. And I like to always just give this tank a little shake initially, and then as you're using it, of course. Tank slides easily into the rolling cart. Next is the hose. You'll see there's two distinctly different fittings. It's pretty obvious which one goes onto the tank. It's the smaller one here, screws onto the tank. And tighten out the adjustable end wrench. This is literally the only tool that you'll need in assembling your Ramsol disinfectant setup. Next we'll be assembling the gun. So for the gun, just take special notice of how this goes together here. You've got your spray gun. This restraining end easily threads off. And then you want to put your brass tip, slide it into there. Just sets down neatly against that edge. And then you just want to drop your gasket in above that. And then gently screw the gun back together. Taking notice that this is a directional fan, so just keep it on the up and down position for an even fan spray. And then again, just tighten with your adjustable end wrench. Okay, before we actually connect the gun to the hose, we're going to clean out the line. Sometimes these rubber lines, when they're being assembled, there's the chance for little particles and that. We don't want that getting caught up in the gun. So all we're going to do is we're going to put this end of this tube into our empty cardboard box. We're going to turn on the tank just briefly. Make sure you're wearing your goggles in case any spray comes up, but you just want to just briefly clean out the tube. It's literally all it takes. And then you are ready to connect the tubing to your Ramsol gun here. Tighten that down by hand. And then follow up with your crescent wrench. And that is it. You are ready to disinfect with your Ramsol disinfectant spray kit. Any questions, contact us at 503-718-0198. Thank you so much.